Hello, welcome back to the Circle of Fifths Major Scales Study or Unit of Study. Today we are working on B flat. Sorry if you can hear the barking outside. The dogs seem to be like all riled up about something. Anyway, let's get started. So we look at the Circle of Fifths. B flat is over here. So we did F last time. From B flat to F, it's 5 steps. So that's why it's the Circle of Fifths. They're all a fifth step apart. So to find the B flat note or the B flat sound, I'm going to go on A string on the first fret. That's high. Now let's go to C string and find that. I'm on the 10th fret. Let me double check. Yep, that's it. And as we know, the pattern for this is index, ring, index, middle, pinky, index, ring, pinky. It's also good to know that this is a B flat chord. So if you're ever looking for a B flat chord that's not up here, it's cool to know one that's super high on the neck, just for fun. So on B flat major scale, we've added a flat. So we have the B flat, of course, and now we've added E flat. So as we go through the scale, we have B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, and then A and B flat. When we play a B flat chord, we need combinations of B flats, Ds, and Fs. So let's see what we have here on our B flat chord. Okay, so on G we have G, A flat, A, B flat. Okay, so we have the B flat. Next string over, we're playing on the 2nd fret, so that's a D. Next string over, we're playing on the 1st fret, that's an F. And on A string, we're playing on the 1st fret, that's a B flat. Nice balance there. So now if you're wondering what makes a B flat chord, now you know you have a combination of B flats, Ds, and Fs. In the last video, the F1, I went into a little bit more detail with music theory terms because I've noticed there are a few of you like overachievers who want more out of the lesson. And for those of you who are kind of tiptoeing into it and it's still a little confusing, I recommend you watch the F major one a few times. Actually, I'll link it here. And then practice the entire series as well, because this is like a foreign language. And when you hear it the first time, you don't understand anything sometimes. And then as you hear it a little bit more, and a little bit more, and a little bit more, you start to get things that sound familiar. So what we first did with the first 8 videos, or 7 videos, can't remember, it was like natural and all sharp scales. And so what we're doing now is the flat scales. And so we learned that F major scale has a B flat, and B flat major scale has B flat and E flat. Now for my overachievers here, the newest flat tells you the name of the next scale. So we did F major scale last time, and it had a B flat, right? So that's the name of the scale we're doing today. And today we had a B flat and an E flat. So now you know the name of the scale for next video. So I hope to see you in the next video. I hope that you're enjoying this. Make sure you pick up the printable, and if you would like to join our Facebook community or our Patreon squad, I'll have the link to that down below and information on the screen. It really helps to connect with other people who are going through this, because you'll ask questions or see how other people understand the content, and it just helps to get a new perspective and have other people who are playing ukulele too online to talk to. Alrighty, I'll see you in the next one. Sayonara!